This morning on HISD Now, we talked about the vast amount of clubs and programs that the school offers, from piano and guitar to cheerleading, gardening, and even STEM programs. The school also boasts a rich dual language pre-K program.
So the pre-K classes have space still in them. Again, it's the dual language Spanish class. We have the most amazing pre-K team. In a moment, I'm hopeful that we can go over there and visit one of the classrooms. You can see that it is a lot of hands-on activities that they're doing in there. The kids love coming to school. I mean, our attendance for pre-K is amazing because the kids want to be here every day. The parents are always telling me, you know.
And Norma Hanna is a pre-K teacher at Cage, and she shared with us not just what she enjoys about working there, but also what parents can expect when they enroll their child into the pre-K program.
I am very pleased and happy to be here at Cage Elementary, and the atmosphere, starting with the principal, Dr. Ririan, and the assistant principal, Crystal Garcia. You know, they have created a great atmosphere and climate for all the staff members. And at Cage Elementary, we have high expectations for our preschool students. What we expect by the end of the year is knowing, you know, they need to know their letter name, letter sound. They need to be able to identify their shapes and their colors. They need to be able to add and subtract, and they need to be able to count up to 100.
And Ashley Guerrero isn't just a Cage parent and on the PTO. She's a product of Cage, and her child is now enrolled in the school in their pre-K program. And she says she loves it.
My kids are she's barely in pre-K 3, and she's already learned how to read. And you don't expect that from other schools. And she's in pre-K and she's already learned how to read. She knows her numbers to 1 to 100, her ABCs in English and Spanish. It's just a great program.